Mastering the GRE, Unraveling the Verbal Reasoning section. Hello, avid learners. In today's video, we're diving deep into the GRE's Verbal Reasoning section. Wondering why this section is even on the GRE? Stick with us as we uncover the purpose of the Verbal Reasoning section and help you gear up for success. The Verbal Reasoning section of the GRE is designed to measure your ability to analyze and draw conclusions from discourse, reason from incomplete data, understand multiple levels of meaning, like distinguishing between literal and figurative meanings, summarize texts, understand the meanings of words, sentences, and entire texts. In essence, it gauges how well you can comprehend, interpret, and analyze written material. You might be asking, why is such a section even included in the GRE? The verbal reasoning section is crucial because 1. Critical reading skills. Graduate programs require students to read and understand complex ideas, arguments, and perspectives. This section ensures you're up to the task. 2. Analysis of written material. Beyond mere comprehension, graduates often need to dissect and critique written content. The verbal reasoning tests this analytical ability. 3. Vocabulary and context. Being able to understand words and their meanings in varying contexts is fundamental in graduate studies. This section ensures you have a robust vocabulary and can decipher meanings in diverse contexts. Understanding the purpose of the verbal reasoning section gives you an edge. By recognizing what's being tested, you can tailor your preparation accordingly, prioritize areas most relevant to your study goals, approach the section with confidence, knowing why each question type exists. And there we have it. The verbal reasoning section isn't just an arbitrary hurdle. It's a carefully designed measure of essential skills for success in graduate studies. We hope this video sheds light on its importance. As always, happy studying, and remember, knowledge is power.